Hello friends, today we learn Java programming. What keyword used in Java programming? Here we make some methods and packages and classes. So what is the meaning of package, class, and inside use method? So what is this? So mm, first this is first Java program, and this is a simple Java basic program. We use keyword class. This is class, and this is method. And so we first what is the class? This is keyword is used to declare a class in Java programming. Means this class can be, and we use before the class use public. Why use public? When you use public, means this class can be accessed anywhere outside the package or inside the package, etc. So, and this is name of class, first Java program. Okay, and here is method, and this method is executed by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Does not require to create object. For this, we not required creating any object. And there here we use public mean same things. This is can access a specifier, and we use static. It is visible to all and can be directly accessed by class name. We access this method by class name directly. It is same for all object. And we use wired. This is a return type, nothing is anymore, only it is a return type. We use here after next video we use another method type. So, and here use args. What is this? This is a parameter supplied command line argument, passing some value Java program main. It is entry point of the program. It is called by runtime system. Okay. When run this program, this is my, and wait. So here for printing we use system.out.println, and in bracket double quotes we write anything which we want to print. So where system is a class in the Java package, and out is a static member of the system, and println is method of Java. This method is overloaded print message. So total overall this is for printing we use. So when we run, let's see, run, and here we find, this is first Java program. When we change this, anything will I write, hi, I'm here. So again save and run. This is print. So for printing we use this. So this is package name initial, and this is class name. Class is keyword is declare class, and which public access anywhere, and this is method, and this is for printing. And it's okay. Thank you.